Hello, welcome. Today, I want to talk about a problem many people have. It might be your problem too. You understand English well, right? When I speak to you now, you understand everything I am saying. But when you try to speak English yourself, suddenly you stop. The words don't come out. You feel afraid. If this is you, please listen carefully. You are not alone. This is a very common problem. But I promise you this, by the end of these 30 minutes, your fear of speaking English will start to disappear. You will understand why you can understand but cannot speak, and you will learn the exact simple steps to fix it. So, let's begin our lesson. The topic is English understand but can't speak? Here's the fix. Okay, first, let's understand why this happens. Think of your brain like a giant library. Inside, you have thousands of English books. If someone talks about a topic, you know exactly which shelf to go to. You understand. You recognize the words. But when you need to speak, you have to find the exact word on the shelf, pull it out, and say it very quickly. This connection between your brain and your mouth is not yet fast enough. It takes too much time. The connection is rusty. Please, don't worry. This is not because you are not smart. This is simply because you haven't practiced enough. You haven't trained your mouth to work with your brain. You are still doing something called translation. You are thinking in your native language and then translating it to English in your head. This takes too long. So today, we are going to learn how to stop translating and start speaking directly. Great! Now, let's go to the practical part. I am going to give you 5 steps. Do these starting today, and you will see a change. Method 1. Shadowing. This is my favorite method. Many people say, I have nobody to speak with. This method solves that problem. It is called shadowing. It means you act like a person's shadow. It is simple. Put on a video you like on YouTube, Netflix, or any English movie. Listen to the person speaking. As they speak, you immediately repeat what they say, right after them. Try to copy exactly how they say it. Copy their pronunciation, their speed, how fast they talk, and their emotion. For example, in a movie, someone says, "Oh my God, I can't believe it." You must copy them exactly. "Oh my God, I can't believe it." This trains the connection between your brain and your mouth. You don't need to think of the words. Your mouth just gets used to saying them. Do this for just 10 minutes every day. You will feel a big difference in 1 week. Method 2. Talk to yourself. Your personal practice. You might think, am I crazy to talk to myself? No. Actually, this is one of the best ways to practice speaking English. When you are alone, you don't have to be afraid of making mistakes. Whatever you do during the day, from the time you wake up until you go to sleep, narrate it. Describe it in English. For example, I am waking up now. I am brushing my teeth. It's raining outside. I am hungry. I need to make breakfast. In the beginning, this is difficult. The words won't come. That's okay. If you don't know a word, it's okay to use your native language word first, but then try to find the English word. Slowly, your brain will start thinking in English. This is your private practice session. Nobody is listening, so don't be afraid. Method 3. Keep it simple, stupid. Kiss. Many people think they need to use big, difficult words to speak good English. This is a big mistake. Keep it simple. Your goal is to communicate, to make the other person understand you, not to show off, not to show that you are clever. If you want to say, I am very tired today, just say, I am very tired today. You don't need to say, I am absolutely exhausted. In the beginning, use simple sentences. Subject plus verb plus object. Don't forget this structure. English is simple. We make it complicated. Method 4. Stop worrying about mistakes. This is the #1 reason why people cannot speak. Fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear of getting the grammar wrong. Fear that others will laugh at you.
Please, throw that fear away today. It is useless. You cannot learn to speak without making mistakes. Look at a baby. When they learn to walk, do they fall down? Yes, they fall down many times, but they stand up and try again. You are the same. When you speak English, it doesn't matter if your grammar is wrong. It doesn't matter if you use the wrong word. Just keep talking. If you keep talking, despite, even if, your mistakes, the other person will understand you. That is the main goal. Speaking is more important than being perfect.
Method 5. The modern solution. Talk to AI. Here is the easiest method today. I know you are watching this video because you know about Google AI Studio. Use that AI to learn to speak English. Open your Google Gemini app. Turn on the microphone. Voice input. Say to it, please talk to me in simple English. Then just talk to the AI about anything you want. Talk about your daily chores, your food, your favorite hobby. The AI will never laugh at you. The AI will correct your mistakes politely. If you have no one to speak with, the AI is your best friend. Practice talking to the AI for 15 minutes every day. Okay, we have learned what we need to do today. Let's quickly review what we talked about. Shadowing. Copy speakers from videos. Talk to yourself. Narrate your day in English. Keep it simple. Use basic sentences. Stop worrying. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Speaking is key. Talk to AI. If you have no one to speak with, practice with the AI. Now you know that you can understand English. This is a wonderful thing. It means you have a good foundation, a good base for the language. The next step is to build the building on top of that foundation. Speaking English is just a language skill. It is not magic. Don't be afraid of it. Start today. It will be hard in the beginning, but if you continue, you will improve in an amazing way. You can do it. I know you can do it. You are clever. As soon as this video ends, try just one of these 5 methods. So, which method are you going to try first? Shadowing or talking to the AI? Leave a comment below and let me know. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to learn more English, please subscribe. So, we say goodbye for today. Good luck with your English speaking journey. Have a great day. Goodbye.